Hello traders, welcome to this Bitcoin technical analysis video. So I will try to do short update for today. How is my outlook for today and for the week? It's important to say good news. Discord did update. Now instead of 3-minute videos, I can upload up to 10-minute videos, which is fantastic because I don't have to speak like AK-47 and like so many informations in such a small time. Now it's better because I can do direct Discord updates for trades, and outlooks in like 5 to 6 minutes, which is fantastic. So that's really great news for us. And now let's have a look on this week. This week I expect to be volatile, but only until we reach. When we reach the events, it's gonna be more volatile. So it's probably gonna be more range bound still, until we get to the Wednesday and Thursday. Because on Wednesday we have FOMC meeting minutes and PPI, but the more important day is coming next day after that, which is our CPI report. If this is gonna be like rising again, this will actually kill and murder all risk assets, Bitcoin included, so stock market will fall, Bitcoin very likely going down along with the dollar getting stronger. We already had a taste of it on Friday, yes, but this is very, very important to know, so be aware. Now let's have a look on current price action. I shared with you a few times, few days ago, the support area I'm looking to trade because we were still at the 20k, and I shared this and I said 19,370 to 19,005 is gonna be support, and I expect multiple bounces from this area. With confluences we trade in our group, and if you have so many in one area, we know it's very unlikely to just dive through the area, but there will be multiple bounces. That's why I'm actually tracking them each of like separately, because I'm trading each of that. You can see that clearly on the chart, what is happening. Look at these 3 bounces. Each one resulted in over 1.7% bounce, which is fantastic for scalper and great for day trader. You definitely have take profit 1 or take profit 1 and take profit 2 for as a scalper. You see Friday, even on the news, we hit support. Here was the golden zone, then a larger 0.5 fib. We hit high volume node, yes, the main from the range. So that was very easy bounce to take. Then over weekend, we actually placed fantastic low as well. It was high volume drop. The liquidations were high. You always want to see liquidations high on such a drops. Into the another high volume node, 0.86 Fibonacci. You were front running daily naked POC from TPO templates on Exocharts. So that was fantastic front run here. I took 2 profits on this trade, but I also said in the group on Monday, I expect these lows to not hold, and we will take them out over weekend. That's what usually happens. You build liquidity from weekend, and it's very easy to take it because it was low volume, low volatility. It's no problem for market to retest, to check and grab liquidity and stop people out. Also on this low, you can see that on a high block. Just want to show you why it was so great, because you took liquidity from Friday, so you stopped up people from Friday, but you also took medium-term liquidity from higher time frames, so it was like double liquidity region, and then you got snapback and bounce. So that was fantastic from this point of view. And now we did another low, and we also approached another part of the support. 1-day order block midline, and now we almost finished medium-term liquidity. So you stopped up many people from late longs from later, and you are front running the main support area, which is our naked TPO POC, almost 1 month merged POC, and then you have naked daily under that 0.88 fib, end of the high volume node, and you are still in 1-day order block. So this is another support area. People are front running it, but that's fine. We actually took it in the group. I personally took it as well. Not full size, but you entered as a swing failure pattern on these lows and back to the range low from the weekend. So you've got beautiful entry. Is no problem, and you can still expect one more bounce from this area. And be aware of the Fibonacci's under. Also, you need to definitely use market structure overlays. That's why many people are in legend rank. They get access to my charts and they can see how I see the things. I like to see that zones, and these market structures, they were money makers for the past few weeks, past few months, and past few years. You can see we are still holding this market structure. It's not lost. If you lost it, you can expect drop to another market structure here. But you know you have support here, so you can actually grab liquidity bounce. You will be monitoring this. But from market structure point of view, this is another support area. This is big main resistance. This is highlighted because this is the most important market structure you have on immediate, like intraday. Yeah. If you reclaim this, you can then look for shorts higher, yeah, which I can just show you. Okay. So we know our day trade support. It's still below the low. We will wait for the stock market open on US. We already took this trade. We had nice take profit one on scalper and day trader. If it gets traction, we will be watching higher, and I can show you what awaits us higher. It's gonna be here. I'm still doing updates to my chart. So in order to get more traction to your trade from these lows, you definitely need to get acceptance based on AMT back to this range. So you'll be watching that val. If there will be fight or rejection, if you get acceptance, it's very likely you will go for this POG and VAH, and then you can track this liquidity above this weekend, yeah? Because you now took liquidity from weekend lows, but you still have liquidity from shorts over here. So you'll be watching these swing failure patterns here, 2 of them. If you do them, then you can go back and you will have easy scalp. If you don't do them, or you just do them and you will continue in market structure you currently have, you can be tracking this area as this is the most dizziest area for shorts. You see we have fair value gap, so we will start filling fair value gap. We have inefficiency here, very fast move, low volume also. So this is not real resistance. The main resistance starts here at this point. If you zoom out, you can also see here day trade. We have a very large range from 14th of September to 10th of October, and we have VAH here. So that's going to be definitely target for our, for any longs. So you can have a rejection. You will have shorts on your side in this area because shorts will be taking profit, and you have like multiple strong order blocks here. Main golden zone, high volume node 1, high volume node 2. You are in market structure, especially at this region when you start here. So this is your market structure. Here is going to be more local from here, and from here I still need to mark it. But that's definitely your main resistance area. And also you have trapped people from who are now resistance. They are already this whole box was already rejecting us. So you don't expect just like straight pump through this. There will be rejections in these areas, yeah, with so many people trapped. So you can utilize this. I will be doing video on this for legends this week. So you can definitely learn this, how to map this properly with Exocharts. So this region, and also if you go to Exocharts, you will see in this region you have 2 naked point of controls. One of them is really strong, this one, and also from weekly point of view, you have it just about 20,000. Weekly naked point of control is waiting for us there as well. You see how market is compressed. Here was like $2,000 range. Previous week was just $1,500 range. So we are like compressing a lot here. So this is gonna be definitely my area of interest for shorts. Yeah, so that's a very quick update. There will be more updates in the group. I will do this one public, so you can see how we work in the group. I wish you a good trading week, guys, and see you in the group. Bye bye.